Can a trading portfolio of 1 lakh make a 5 to 10% profit every month?
Yes, it is possible to earn 5 to 10% monthly profit with a 1 lakh portfolio, but it requires excellent portfolio management and active churning. Our belief is, put your money to work in the market. Trading is an art. Trading is indeed an art. To master it, you need to learn a good trading strategy, risk management, order placement, fund management, and portfolio management. This is how you can start learning algo trading. Join our smart trading and investing campaign. Through our platform Trade Simply Connect, we help you learn smart trading and investing strategies that can help grow your portfolio. Managing a 1 lakh rupees portfolio is easy, but for growth, you need to focus on risk management, portfolio management, and active portfolio churning, frequent trading, and we are here to teach you how to do that. Trade Simply Research. Our Trade Simply Research team publishes reports on Trade Simply Connect after analyzing various swing strategies. These reports teaches you how to diversify your money into different baskets. Learn trading strategies. These strategies will help you learn algo trading in the future. Through our reports, you will understand order placement, setting stop loss, and understanding support and resistance levels, which will also help you in algo trading. We serve as a bridge in your algo trading journey. Intraday trading strategy, how to execute and optimize. Intraday swings strategy reports. Capital investment, allocate 50,000 rupees into a carefully curated intraday swings basket. Typically, the majority of these trades are closed by the next day. Objective, capture market swings between 1 to 1.5%, allowing for around 10 to 12 portfolio turnovers per month. Potential returns, by aiming for a 1% return on a 5 lakh rupees turnover, you can steadily grow your capital base. Weekly swings strategy. Invest 50,000 rupees in our weekly swings strategy, designed to target a 3 to 3.5% return per week. With this approach, you can strategically rotate your portfolio 3 to 4 times each month, capitalizing on the market's weekly movements. On a 2 lakh rupees turnover, this strategy aims to generate returns of 3 to 4% through weekly swings, providing consistent and measurable growth opportunities. Calculated monthly returns. By managing an investment of 1 lakh rupees across just 2 baskets and employing active management, you can target up to 10% monthly return on your capital. This strategy not only optimizes returns but also serves as an excellent learning experience for mastering trading techniques. Portfolio management with scaling. Once proficient in managing a 1 lakh rupees portfolio, you can seamlessly scale up to managing a 5 lakh rupees portfolio. This level of active management can potentially generate monthly returns of up to 8 to 10%, offering significant growth as you expand your trading capacity. Get live support with our 15-day free trial. Experience personalized guidance throughout your trial, as we assist you in every step of selecting and managing portfolio baskets for optimal results. Our vision. Our goal is to teach traders and investors smart trading. Our developed tools and resources will help you learn trading and investing so that you can achieve consistent success in financial markets. Conclusion for traders and investors. By joining our smart trading and investing campaign, you will learn how to navigate the market effectively, use advanced strategies, and achieve financial success. Trading is an art, and you can easily learn it by connecting with our platform. How we can help you achieve financial freedom. Learn basics of stock market with EdZone. Join Trade Simply Connect Forum, Investors Social Media. Take expert advice and access live reports. Our Trade Simply partners will support you on every step of this journey. Become our elite member on Connect and gain premium access. Become a wise trader or investor by passing our simple modules and be certified. Take benefit of our AI-generated report with least tech jargon. So, now you can learn, Earn and grow sitting home. Now, join us on Trade Simply Connect, your one-stop solution for all your trading and investing goals. For more information, call now